We start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim. Big topic is the same. It says Lashon Hara, laws of derogatory speech. Today's topic is ambiguous statements. A Jew is responsible for exercising caution in a speech and not making statement which can be misinterpreted and as derogatory. So it's not exactly derogatory, but people can misinterpret. What does it mean? Example of the ambiguous statement that should not be said: he's well-meaning fellow, right? Which can mean he's well-meaning but not very intelligent, or he's well-meaning but his actions are wrong. So meaning maybe you meant as a compliment, but it could be interpreted as not compliment, as opposite. If one simply means he's well-meaning and sincere, then he should say so clear, right? So we have to be very clear. Baruch Hashem, stop here.